To the main entrance. We are about to start the ribbon cutting, led by Honorable Senator Grace Poe. Secretary Proceso Alcala, Yusek Bernadette R. Puyat, Director Leonardo Gazmin, OIC Executive Director Leo Caneda, and NOAB members. We may remind everyone to go to the main entrance for the ribbon cutting. The ribbon cutting is about to start. We would like to invite all visitors to the main entrance, please. We are about to start the ribbon cutting.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our delegates are now going around to view the booths. Our ribbon cutting ceremonies have just ended. Let us give a warm round of applause to our main guests for being here today for this much awaited event. Of course, it's the first Philippine Natural and Organic Products Expo. Marami pong ma-enjoy dito ngayong hapon, mga kaibigan. Marami tayong matututunan from our different booths. And at the same time, this afternoon, we will have talks and demos from a lot of interesting personalities that I'm sure you will learn from, mga kaibigan. Once again, we would like to thank Senator Grace Poe, Sec Proceso J. Alcala, Yusek Bernadette R. Puyat, Director Leandro H. Gasmin, OIC Executive Director Leo P. Caneda, NOAB members, and our ambassadors for being here. Masaganang palakpakan naman para sa ating main guests. Ayan, sabi nga ni Sec Prosi, kailangan buhay na buhay dahil talaga naman pinakahihintay natin ang araw na ito.
Pagkaing ligtas at mali
Ayan, ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned earlier, marami po tayong aabangan mamaya na mga talks, mga kaibigan. Of course, related sa organic farming, mga kaibigan. To bring up some of the things that will be happening later, let's check it out.
Pamilyang Pilipino, hakbang patungong asenso. Pagkain ligtas at malinis, kalusugan natin ay sagip. Isang pangarap, isang layunin.
As mentioned earlier, of course, we will be having a talk about giant milky mushrooms by Mary Mushroom. And we're supposed to have also edible landscaping by Mirna Katigbak Frago. At mamaya rin mga kaibigan, we're gonna hear all about rock balancing. At syempre naman ay yan ang handog sa atin ng Rock Balancing Philippines. Later on, we're also supposed to hear from Chef Margarita Flores and Chef Robbie Goco. Ayan naman ang ating chefs on the go. Going organic. Ayan, ito na si Chef, naghahanda. Nako, mukhang very interesting yung hinahanda nila dito. Kanina pa po kayo? Just now?
About an hour ago.
About an hour ago. Thank you so much for being here. We're looking forward to hearing all about what you have to tell us later on.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for having us over.
Of course, maybe you'd like to say hi to everyone, Sir Robbie.
Yeah, hi everyone. It's an honor to be here and to show you our take on organic cooking and organic food preparation. And I'm very excited to present to you our take on organic food. So, thank you.
Thank you so much. We're looking forward to that as well. And of course, you will be joined by Ma'am, right? Oh my goodness. Good morning. Let me talk a little bit with Ma'am Margarita. Magandang umaga.
Good morning, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Sobra kaming nagagalak to be here with all of you. Para sa amin ni Robbie, since we do our work with food, it's really all about the produce. Kailangan talaga ang pinakamagandang ingredients at pinaka-healthy na ingredients ang gamitin namin to start with. Because it all stems from initially from the produce. So this is like heaven for me and heaven for Chef Robbie as well. Because I already saw some of my old-time suppliers and a lot of new ones as well. And ang pinakamaganda nito, some of the ingredients are talagang mind-blowing. Maniniwala ba kayo na merong Gouda cheese galing sa Lanao del Norte? Parang nakakagulat, di ba? And then there's also, of course, organic olive oil from Greece that parang you're putting our Filipino ingredients beside the best of the world. Kaya this is really talagang, for us, sobrang heartwarming, mind-blowing. Ayaw na naming umuwi dahil ang dami naming mahahanap na gamit dito. So, thank you so much to Yusek Berna and the organizers of the Organic Fair. It's so nice to be around kindred spirits, the farmers, the suppliers, all the stakeholders, you know, with Going Organic. Maraming salamat from both of us, of Chef Robbie, for including us in this event.
Naku, we're so happy to have you. Ang swerte ng pamilya ninyo. You're always cooking for them. Naku naman. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ayan, that's just a sneak preview of what you can enjoy mamaya po mga kaibigan. I believe they're gonna be talking for about almost an hour, all about organic cooking. Of course, later on, we're also going to be joined by new friends. I'm sure you'll also enjoy their company. I met them already a while ago, and I'm going to be turning over the stage later on to them. And I'm sure that you'll also very much enjoy yung kanilang company, mga kaibigan. Matanong lang, so far, I'm sure nakaikot na kayo? Yung iba hindi pa, later on, naka-reserve yan. Doon sa mga nakaikot na, kamusta? Okay naman? Ayan, I'm glad naman. I'm looking forward to going around also. Nako, lalo na sa aming mga, ito na, sa edad na ito, yung dapat natututo ng magluto at dapat healthy, di ba? Of course, we have to take good care of ourselves, ladies and gentlemen, for our families, di ba? It's not all about working hard, it's about taking good care of our bodies. Of course, and that's why kailangan we should really learn more about organic cooking and organic farming. So once again, we would like to thank our participants who came from the various stakeholders of the industry. Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa ating mga farmers, sa ating mga LGUs, government agencies, the academe, agribusiness sector, ang ating mga NGOs, at pati na rin ang ating mga people's organizations. Palakpakan naman natin sila mga kaibigan. Thank you so much for being here. And right now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be turning over the stage, of course, mga kaibigan, to another set of hosts na I'm sure talagang maaaliw kayo sa kanila. Let's give a roaring, buhay na buhay dapat, na round of applause para kay Chian and Franz. Ayan, buhay na palakpakan! Sabi nga ni Sec Pro si Alcala. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan.
Isang layunin, kalikasan natin mahalin. Sama-sama nating balawakin. Spread organic agriculture in the Philippines. Pamilyang Pilipino, hakbang patungong asenso. Pagkaing ligtas at malinis, kalusugan natin ay sagip. Isang pangarap, isang layunin, kalikasan natin mahalin. Sama-sama nating balawakin. Spread organic agriculture
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Pamilyang
Ayan.
Pilipino.
Ako po ay si Francis at kasama ko po ngayon si Chian.
Hello, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.
Okay? At welcome po sa first Philippine Natural and Organic Products Expo. And sa ngayon po, ongoing ang ating opening activity na Chefs on the Go, Going Organic.
Alright, and for today's event, we invited two celebrity chefs who will showcase their culinary expertise using and highlighting natural and organic products.
Ayan po, inaanyayahan po naming lahat na pumunta po tayo dito sa ating activity center para po subaybayan natin ang ating opening program na Chefs on the Go, Going Organic.
Yehey!
Yes, so sa mga tao po dyan, tara po dito at panoorin po natin ito para po malaman natin kung ano mga bagay ba ang magandang iluto para sa ating pamilya gamit ang natural at organic products.
Yes, actually nakakatuwa friends, no? Seeing all people here, and then may mga booths din tayo for this expo. And then, go na.
Yun. Actually, lahat ng ingredients na ginagamit nila ay nanggaling lang din sa ating booth. Kaya sa mga tao po riyan, maganda po tayong manood nito para at least alam natin kung ano ba ang mga dapat nating gawing putahe.
Okay, so for now, friends, I think we should introduce our two celebrity chefs.
Okay, so, for our first celebrity chef, ayan po, syempre, salamat po sa lahat ng taong pupunta dito para subaybayan ang ating programa. Ngayon po, ipapakilala ko ang ating unang celebrity chef. Syempre, kailangan naman alam natin kung sino po ang ating magaling na chef, di ba?
Oo naman.
Okay. Our first celebrity chef is the owner of Grace Park, the first farm-to-table concept dining in Manila, which opened in March this year. Grace Park offers home-style cooking with dishes that uses natural and organic ingredients. She also owns the Chabot chain of restaurants known for its authentic Italian cuisine. She is also behind the famous Chabot DM, the high-end catering service known for its stylized and on-the-spot cooking concept, as well as Fiori DM, floral creations, that uses nature discards and edible plants and flowers. She is also a cancer survivor and an avid supporter and advocate of natural and organic agriculture. Let's all welcome Chef Margarita Flores. Yes. Okay.
And now for our second celebrity chef, he is the owner of Degustacion Restaurant Group, which operates Sima Greek Taverna with 9 branches all over the country, and the newly established Green Pastures, a farm-to-table restaurant. He is the executive chef of Lemonade Hotel in Baguio and Stern Hotel Group with branches in Ilocos Sur, Palawan, and Boracay. Moreover, he is a graduate of California Culinary Academy, and his mantra, "Good food is a right, not a privilege." Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Chef Robbie Goko.
Okay, as of the moment, they're cooking the dishes that they will serve to our distinguished guests later. They'll be having a food taste. So, shall we interview?
Okay, go.
Shall we have the details of
Okay,
what is cooking?
Let's ask for Chef Gaita. Hello, Chef. Good morning po. At mukha pong masarap ang food natin. Chef, can you explain to us what you prepared for today?
Okay. Well, actually, I think that we were told that we would find almost everything that we needed here today. So ang dala namin lang, we just made some fresh pasta with organic kalabasa that comes from our supplier, Mr. Fresh Tart, Mr. Chin Chin Uy. We actually ship it all the way from Bacolod. And that's the squash that we use in Chibo to make our squash soup. So we've been using organic for a while now. So that's what we use to make the fresh pasta. And the first dish that we're making is like an omelette. It's an Italian omelette. It's a frittata, and frittata di pasta. So it's also a good way to use leftover pasta. You make it into a tortilla, like an omelette, with the pasta inside. And we found some beautiful baby fish from Lake Buhi from a Bicol supplier. She cooks it with a little gata and chili. And from the bottle, we just made it gisa. And we added sigarilyas from another supplier there. But of course, the base is always the oil. So Robbie and I are so happy that there's Mr. Top Chef Solutions here who has beautiful organic biodynamic olive oil from Greece. And the olives as well are organic. So we also put that in the frittata today. Aside from that, we're deep frying mane from the suppliers here. There's a restaurant kasi in New York that serves it super deep fried na pwede ding kainin ang balat. So we're gonna try that today. We just deep fried the peanuts. And then, well, we thought Yusek Berna was gonna come here and cook with us, Robbie, right? So we're saving the spinach pasta with the milky mushrooms, the oyster mushrooms, and the nice kamote and the kangkong tops for the spinach pasta later. And we made pesto from beautiful pili and kulitis. It's really sad that Senator Poe left already because she's Ilongga. She's from Bacolod, just like a lot of the people I work with. And Chin Chin of Fresh Start, also from Bacolod. And we used the kulitis, which is a super probinsya gulay, but it's supposed to be very healthy and good for prevention of cancer. So we made the pesto out of basil and kulitis and the pili. So those are the three main things. And then we don't have to do anything with this. It's so beautiful. It's Gouda cheese. Sorry, mali ako. Hindi pala Lanao. From Misamis. But it's still really yummy. And we're going to serve it with there's some santol jam that we found down there. And then, hindi kayo maniniwala, wild raspberries from Quezon. And then, our long-time native honey supplier. So you can try the cheese with those three sweet things later. Hindi na kami kailangan magluto. Nagbukas lang kami ng bote because it's all here. So that's it, pretty much. And then a salad later. Si Robbie naman, madami din siya.
Wow, thank you so much, Chef Gaita. It's really overwhelming and we're really excited. And I'm sure Yusek Berna and Sec Alcala would really love
want
to
to
taste
join.
your food. All right, then we have our second celebrity chef.
Yes, Chef
Friends?
Robbie Goko, do you want us to share what's happening here?
Yeah, hi. Hello, everyone. This is a bit of a challenge because when we arrived here at 9 o'clock in the morning, they never told us what we were gonna cook. So we came here with nothing. We arrived with a few vinegars, our pepper mill, our organic salt, and some Greek olive oil, that's all we had when we came over. And we were bugging everyone, them to tell us which ingredients we were gonna use, and we didn't know that this was just one big surprise, one big market basket. This is all on the spot right now, but we went around for about 30 minutes, and then we met all of these wonderful suppliers, wonderful farmers. As you know, having a farm-to-table restaurant is really about us, the chefs, knowing the farmers who grew or who raised the cattle or who grew all the wonderful vegetables. It's about us knowing where the ingredient came from. Because we owe it to our customers, we owe it to our guests, right? And then in this age of commercialization and fast food, right? We already lost the true essence of running a restaurant, because all we do now is we just get from a big supplier to supply us goods that we don't know anymore where it came from. So this cooking is all about us knowing the farmers, knowing the producers, and knowing those people who really raised and took care of our ingredients, right? So, but what I'm gonna be preparing for you today, I kind of mixed my two restaurants, Sima, which is Greek. So for that, I'm doing a wonderful bread salad called Dakos, right? Now that's using some bread that we saw here a while ago, and then we're mixing it with organic crushed tomatoes, which we just crushed it, and then the traditional recipe uses feta. But on this one, we're using the local quesong puti, which we salted it, brined it in a fast brined it. So it's a really interesting interpretation of a traditional Greek dish. Now, the next one is called the maruli. The maruli is a spring salad, right? So I saw some wonderful icebergs and some wonderful organic romaines, a lot of dill and a lot of organic green onions, and it's a very simple salad. We're just gonna dress it up with local organic lemon and extra virgin olive oil. Okay. Now I'm also going to be making the national dip of Greece, the tzatziki, which is I drained some yogurt, and then we made some organic. We shredded some organic cucumber, a lot of dill, a lot of carrots. We're gonna be flavoring that with extra virgin olive oil as well. Now this was pretty interesting. This vegetable was just launched in the Philippines more than a year ago. Now we consume so much of this vegetable in our restaurant in Green Pastures, but it's interesting. It's because it's very rich in vitamin B. This is called kale, and I will show you a very simple preparation using. I'm calling it cheesy kale. So you're gonna enjoy that one, and okay. And then I'm doing another salad. Actually, I'm doing a lot of salads and a toast. This one's pretty special because one of my most popular salads in Green Pastures is called the Pinoy salad. What it is really is I'm using a lot of fiddlehead ferns, a lot of organic salted egg, and then some beautiful cherry tomatoes, some cucumbers, and then I brought in chicken. This is organic chicken, which I brined in seaweed from Ilocos Sur. I brined it overnight because I needed a protein, so I brought it with me. But what's interesting with the dressing that I'm making today, which I made already, this one is lukban longganisa, warm lukban longganisa vinaigrette, which we toasted and we mixed with this wonderful balsamic vinegar tasting dip, which has sugar cane base, right? And then we mixed some extra virgin coconut oil in it, and then some raw organic honey. I'm telling you, you're gonna try it out later. It's phenomenon, right? Yeah, and it's really good. And then, lastly, I actually made it already. We made some.
So there are readily made sandwiches here. Hello, sorry.
We just made this about 5 minutes ago.
Wow.
Our toasts with ricotta cheese that we saw a while ago, and then what we did